Imagine you can invest money for your future in an app that is easy to use, flexible to your needs, and gives you full control over your investments. Meet Finhabits, the bilingual personal finance app trusted by thousands of Latinos. To start an account, all you need is a social security number or ITIN and a valid US bank account. Whenever you add money, Finhabits will invest it, and you'll be able to see your balance and track your performance on the app. Finhabits wants to help you eliminate excuses. It lets you start an account with as little as $20 a week, so you can give it a try. You can also automate weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly transfers to your investment account, so you can just set it and forget it. Finhabits invests in well-diversified portfolios that contain low-cost ETFs, including companies like Amazon, Disney, and Google. These portfolios are built by real experts to help you optimize your return over time while minimizing your fees and risk of loss. Flexibility is important, period. If you need to skip a deposit, Finhabits lets you pause with just a tap. Zero penalties. It's time to invest your money smartly. Download Finhabits today and put your money to work for your future.